Hello there, welcome back to Mechanic London. We're back in the workshop here. It's a Friday and we've got our lovely Katie on the ramp, and I will just show you here. We've had a modification made up here on the fuel tank. If you can see there, we've got like a banjo there that's made up on the that's normally the drain plug. At the moment we've got what in UK money it's about £10 worth of fuel in there, and normally, as you can see there, that's the normal feed, nothing coming out. You need nearly about £15 to £20 worth of fuel just to come out of there. So instead of driving around with all that fuel in there, which is 2 cans worth of fuel, maybe somewhere in the region of 10 litres just to get a reading, we've had an adaptation made up here, and that way if you come back it is higher than the axle, so it's not going to get ripped off, but obviously I wouldn't be going over rough ground with this type of car anyway. There's still a lot of detailed work to be done here on the back. Back plate's off there on the back of the differential. We're doing the seal there. So we'll put a new fuel line here. We've used a nickel rather than the copper, as it bends a lot better and it doesn't kink, hopefully, unless you overdo it quite a lot. You can see here on the rest of her. So I've had it running now for about 20 minutes, just having a look for any oil leaks or any drips or anything like that. We've had the radiator back. So if I put the ramp down here, we'll have a look. See, there's a little touch up there to be done on the body. The work at the moment is involving looking for parts rather than getting on with the actual job. It's part of it. We are very keen to get on there. Okay, so I've got to lift that up. I've got a temporary supply up here for the ignition because that's not wired in yet. So just put that on there and then come around here. There she goes, Volvo P1800, and just adjusted the timing on her. So only got part system at the moment on there. Still loads of bits and pieces to be done. So we have got an egg crate grill to go in there. Whether or not we're going to get a new one, that's still to be decided. I'll give you a view inside here. At the moment the rev counter is not working, and the speedo's decided to do a flop as well, but we'll get there. The overdrive's all wired up. Okay, follow us on Facebook. So if you go to Facebook and look up Mechanic London, you'll see the icon, and we will see you there. Thank you very much. See you next time.